Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to Krishan French Learning. Today we learn Présentez votre père. Present your father in French. My father. Mon père. In English, the word my stays the same. But in French, it changes depending on whether you are talking about a masculine or a feminine noun. For example, my father is a masculine, so we use mon père. My mother is a feminine, so we use ma mère. As father is masculine, we use mon père. So friends, let's start. Mon père s'appelle Mr. Rohit. Mon père s'appelle Mr. Rohit. My father name is Mr. Rohit. Il a 40 ans. Il a 40 ans. He is 40 years old. Il est indien. He is Indian. Il habita Delhi. Il habita Delhi. He lives in Delhi. Il est salarié. Il est salarié. He is salaried. Il est grand et mince. He is tall and thin. Il est beau et intelligent. He is handsome and intelligent. J'aime mon père. J'aime mon père. I love my father. So friends, that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.